Alright, I have no idea what I am going to do now, but the dice thing worked, so I made a class called dice that will create objects for dices with their quantity and how many sides they are. But this is too simple, or maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. What I was thinking now is that, like, what if the player wants to roll a 7? For example, he wants to roll a 1d6 and he wants to roll 2d8. So, would I have to create two different objects? No. This is something I'll have to find out how to do it later on. But for now, let's just make it work. So let's put this here. Let's close everything we don't currently think we need. So game logic. Alright, so if I'm not mistaken, every time the player levels up, which is on the check act, yeah, on the check act it executes player.choose_trait. So we're gonna go to player.choose_trait. Here, so we have player.choose_trait, and yeah, so player.choose_trait So let's say here we wanted to take a dice object, which is dice level. So dice level up. Okay. And here on game logic, is it public? We should make it public. Maybe if we make it public. Public level up dice. Alright, so okay, so do you really need that? Here. Yeah, we do. So let's put here, so level up equal to game logic dot level up dice. Right? Yep. This is this is what I'm not getting. Why is this one not static? You know, while all the rest are. This is also not static. Here. So like, let's say we put this here. Alright. Use this. I go back to the variables I had deleted and I'll put them here. Okay. So it's gonna take dice. Okay, cool. I don't think I need this. So let's think differently. So game logic level up dice. let's do the following. Maybe if we create let's keep the dice here. Let's put all the dice here. So we have level up dice. Now I want to make it roll, so what I'm going to do is game logic dot that's because it's not static. So if we do dice dot why is it not giving a roll? Roll dice. Game logic dot level dot dice. Let's see what's there. Yeah, but this is not static. I don't get it. I really don't. I really don't get it why I can't execute it from, because like, this is not static and this is not static. Or maybe wait, maybe character is static. It's also not static. Alright, I really don't know. I have to ask this to someone. So yeah, I don't need to override it. Choose trait, so it's going to game logic dot roll dice. And then we I'm thinking now maybe I should actually put this here and the dice. So I don't think you actually need these. Let's comment them out. And instead of in the dot player, instead of game logic dot roll dice, we do dice dot roll dice. Maybe we create the no, we can't do this. Let's put all the dices in the game logic. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do all the dices here, and I'll just pull them from there to here. So that's the roll dice, and then int roll equal plus equal roll plus equal roll, right? Yes, I think that's it. So let's do the following, and we're going to set row plus row plus new line roll, and then we're going to do attack plus def. So this is stats is 0, and this is stats 1. Let's try it out. I have no idea what I've done. Window. Is it turning? Nope. I keep forgetting what this is called. Window. Chat rejects debugging, no. Profiling, web browser, no. ID tools, level doc, notifications, processes, configure window. I'll call the process. Windows, ID. Just close them. This happens. It's not the first time this happens. Alright, we'll go to Google. How to open Mm-hmm. So it worked. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's working. So yeah, I guess we got it. Where is the stats coming from? I forgot. Oh, it's in the cursor. Mm-hmm. 3d6. No, let's put 3d4 maybe. I mean, we have to try an experiment. Let's try 3d4. So 3d4 is a maximum of 12, and I think the average is 6. 6 and 7. No, yeah. The average would be 6. Between 6 and 9. Yeah, so let's see. How much has it been? Wow, 30 minutes. Okay. So let me save. So there we'll be able to choose a trait. Maybe I should override it actually. Or maybe let's just let the player be lucky, yeah. Whatever. Wherever you get to that. Okay. So let's see what I'm going to do now. I will maybe I should make the design to add the design to show player stats character. Oh, here it is. How do we want it to be? You know. Let's open it here. Why is it not? Maybe I closed it. Oh yay! I think 24 is still way too much. Maybe 2d6. I think 2d6. Three, 4 opens too much space for being higher. Okay, so my name is Juan. Character information, let's see. What is this? Okay. I think I will just add this divider here, delete this one, and I will add attack. Yep, attack. Right, so attack plus player dot stats 0, and here player dot stats 1. So now we have the attack and defense stats showing. So 17, 10, 1, character info. So we have attack defense showing. Let's take a pause. Right. So I think we should start working on the formula now for attack and defense. So let's try it out. Now we do have a formula on the internet that I kind of understood. This one. So it's 2 times level. We don't have level, so but what is modifier? So as I can see here, player actually doesn't defend. We only use player damage. We don't have the so here. Okay. So let's try it out. I put this on the side. Yep, so yeah, we're just thinking again what I did. So let's come this up. Looks like it's going to affect, yeah, most definitely not. We also don't need this. Actually, let's try something out, just to make sure. Why is it giving an error? Yeah. Let's do it like when the player stats up here. So int row Yeah, but no, we would need to assign it to a new variable. Because it's going to add. Well, look, so int row2 equal to this. Let's over this. Yeah. So put it on row 2. Let's try it out. Close. 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 Alright, so let's type. What's her name? Joyce. Yes. Apex strength. Alright. Oh yeah, because it didn't execute. So let's try it again. Oh, what's her name? Oh, that's right. Yeah, there we go. So that does work. Okay, cool. Just wanted to make sure. So here, let's close this here. Let me actually take this whole window outside. Let's keep it here on the. Like, whenever I need to show you code, I'll pull it to the side. So let's see here. Let's work on the formula. Let's comment this out. So no, someone told me overriding is not is override bad. So practice. If I have a superclass, base class, and subclass, and I want some of the subclass functions to be slightly different. Oh, sorry. And I want the if I have a superclass, base class, and a subclass, and I want some of the subclasses functions to be slightly different, is it a bad practice to just override the original call super and tack a little extra functionality? For example, so int foo a, and then that's the base class. So this extends base class, and int foo v. So int foo v. You So this guy uses, what is it? Where's the guy to use implement? Yeah, here. Guys are fighting here. Alright, so I don't really know. Let's just keep it that way then. It's yellow. OBS makes a yellow line around the whole screen, so I can see which apps are open and yeah. Let's see. So let's say override attack. We don't even need defend. Let's keep it anyway. So let me see. So let's print damage equal to. So first, let me get the very basic formula they showed us. So is there a previous page? Here. Yeah. Yeah. So they added a rather random thing to it. So let's try it. So let's say the damage is equal to maybe we do need to implement defend. So return where's the random? The random public info. Random. Yeah, I guess we have that option. So random rand equal new random. Return. So let's do got how to do it. Let's go to this random. Random next to entities like this. Okay, so random equal thank you. So we have a random, and this random is going to be stored into current row, and the current row is going to be added to total row. I think we can just dot next int. And next int. So here I put 1 plus, so it's going to generate a number between 0 and whatever number I put inside it. So let's say I want to put it there. It has 100 damage. So let's hit 100 here. Right? So 100 base damage, that's too much. So let's say maybe we can use the affixed here. It could be 0, why not? So that's 0. So it's going to be yeah. So you can make it like random. Could be 0. Why not? And I don't think we really need this. Let's try it out with that. So let's put this here as well. Okay. So we do this to the monster as well, because the monster is going to have a attack and defense. So we go to the enemy. Yeah, I don't know the formula. So enter. Yeah, I have to create that. Run equal look run. Okay, so the monster is gonna defend and attack. This is very simple and interesting. It doesn't mean maybe I can add complexity to it later on. So let's actually try it out. Here, let me try. Before I execute it, let me try this here. I need to know player stats. So damage battle. So we're going to create a new enemy. Here. No, it creates a new enemy on, yeah, whatever. So let's do it here. Print header. Enemy dot stats 1 and the stats 0 Yes. Try it out. There we go. Okay. Nope. It's here. What's her name? Yeah. Yeah. Strength. Alright. Continue on your descent. You encounter an enemy. Here it is. Let me do it again. Subject to Fultz. Let's look at it again. Yes, sure. Okay, team. Sorry, continue descent. Okay, so test attack 13, defense 13. Okay, 0 damage. 10 damage, 6 damage. 2 damage. Oh, 6 damage. Alright. Okay. And okay, he defeated Mark. You've earned the chance to have the mission rest. You earned 0 gold. Okay, I don't want it to. Let me just fix it around. So what I'm gonna do now is fix this. Fix this line. Because I want this to appear along with this. I don't want the player to keep pressing enter an useless amount of times. So I'm going to go to game logic, and then I'm gonna go to battle. Yeah, we don't need it here. Yeah. I forgot to do this last time. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Yeah, take a rest. Yeah, let's take a rest. Start and restore 10 health. Alright. So continue on your descent. They don't do take a rest. Let's take a rest. Buy 10 health again. Maybe it was pure luck, but let's just make sure. Okay, so that's fine. It's because the player XP was way too low. Okay, cool. So let's go. Let's continue. You encountered an enemy. So what happened here? I need to know what happened here. So I think what happened is that the player had, like, he had no rest, so yeah. So player was here, yeah. If player restless, yeah, here. That's what happened. We don't need to put this here, we should put this here. And then okay, let's do something more pretty. It is varying. Okay. Okay, so the battle is decent. Very simple, just attack and defend. And what I'll do is I will this here. This whole thing here. Okay, so let's set the starting player XP to let's start the player XP to in the beginning. Let's set it to 100. Yeah, I think this is it. So player, let's set it to 100 in the beginning. Good roll, bro. Okay, so here, the player doesn't get more HP. Damn. Pretty intense. Okay. This monster is strong. I think. Yeah. Two XP. $155. $155. Ouch. Next one's throat. One more. Okay. What? 8 XP. Hmm. 3450. Let's rest. I still restored only 10 health and I have like 100 XP. Yeah, I see. Okay, so, that's a good enough test. Let's open Notion, take some notes.